Alright, hello everyone, Fist of God here, and today as you can see I am playing Resident Evil 6. Now, this is on the Nintendo Switch. I just downloaded this tonight, this is just going to be a bit of a test video. I'm going to be hopping in Mercenaries No Mercy, which is, on the Xbox One version, my most played gameplay mode. I'm gonna go Steel Beast. This is just a test video. I'm not gonna be trying to 100%. I'm not gonna be trying to beat it or anything. This is just purely for me testing out and seeing how well the game runs whenever there's just a cluster of enemies and stuff like that. So, yeah. Anyways, here we go. And I'm playing this with the Switch Pro controller, not the Joy-Cons. So, yeah. I can already hear the hate. Wait, why aren't you using the Joy-Cons to have the gyro controls? As that was the whole gimmick of getting the game on the Switch. You might as well be playing on the Xbox One. Honestly, I'd just be like, you know what? Shut that crap up. Jump! There we go. Hold on, I pressed the wrong button. There we go. So I have to get used to that. That the actual item selection button is now where I would usually press B on the Xbox One controller. Alright, so I'm not gonna grab the last time. I'll grab this one over here. And I'm gonna head up to the top. Oh my god, get out of my way. Now keep in mind, I'm not like some amazing mercenaries genius for this game. I just play it for fun. Real quick, move up. Head up here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Slide. Alright. Jesus, my accuracy is garbage. And if I do complete this, seeing as how I'm playing solo, don't be expecting me to get the maximum 300 combo or anything like that. Go ahead and also, it looks like it's lagging. That's because I'm playing this docked on my TV instead of, like, holding the actual Switch. Because I'm playing this on my little brother's Switch. And, like, he broke one of his Joy-Cons and it has a drift. Then also, I don't have a way to record it on just the little Switch handheld screen. But yeah, expect a lot of Resident Evil 6 Mercenaries videos whenever I don't have the time to pump out, like, say, another episode of Prince of Persia, or another episode of Castlevania, or whatever Let's Play I'm doing. And also, do expect to look forward to an actual full Let's Play of Leon's campaign in this game. Which this one, I will probably complete right away. if I'm being completely honest. God, incendiary grenades are so good. Oh my god, the frame rate dropped so bad. Right there. Did you guys see how bad that frame rate dropped? Now, I'm not by any means, like knocking the Switch port. So far from what I've played, this is actually a very, very enjoyable port of the game. Did the freaking grenade fall? It did. Oh, no it didn't. Okay. And that is a big ol' armored guy, who is dead now. There we go. Get off me, fool. But yeah, now we have entered what I like to call the this is starting to get screwy part of the, did that seriously fall? There we go. Oh, what? Did that really, like, unstun all of them? Hang on, I gotta do that before my combo loses, before I lose my combo. I'm gonna run over here, drop that. Come on. Thank you. Oh, hello. Look at all of you big boys. I am going to, chuck this. Oh, tell me that fell. Okay. See, that's a problem with, Steel Beast in this game, is sometimes your grenades like to fall through the grate, because they tried to add realistic physics. And it's like, ooh, woo. Realistic physics. Nobody said they wanted realistic physics in their Resident Evil. But no, this is actually a Resident Evil that I actually enjoy. I actually love this game. I've been playing it since it came out on the 360. I got the Xbox One version whenever I found out it existed. And just since then, I haven't, like, I love this game. I don't know why it gets the hate it gets. It's because it wasn't a survival horror game. That's the only reason why I can think of. It's like, so what? It's like, you have to understand that over time, in order for a series to stay relevant, it has to evolve and adapt to fit what gamers are looking for in a game during that current time period. And everybody looked at the idea of Resident Evil 6 like, oh, it's just Resident Evil 5 on steroids. That, like, really made me mad whenever everybody was like that. It's like, no, you just don't like it because it's not your, oh, I want it to be survival horror. It's like, I don't know, I love survival horror. It's like one of my favorite genres of video games, period. But, there's nothing wrong with this, you know? Absolutely nothing wrong. Like, look at it, like, I'm having fun. I bet you guys are having fun watching. Bro, that man ran into a wall. Blow up, please. Thank you. Alright, please don't fall in the grate. Okay, thank you. Oh boy, how many of these guys are there? Oh, hello. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run over here, invite all of you to come this way. I'm just going to go ahead and blow that up before. I'm going to run over here with this. Say hello, how's your father? Boom! Ow. Get out of my way so I can kill big guy. Thank you. Oh, hello. How are all of you big guys? Ah! I'm going to back away and do that. No! You see how, like, the entire game can be turned around you in a mere second by something you can't even see? That was such a good attempt. Okay, I'll try one more map. Me and my friend Michael's other most played map, even though it's a map that we always rage on, but we really legitimately enjoy it. Just Rooftop Mission. Okay. I'm gonna... keep on pressing B. Excuse me. There we go. Alright, let's get this. Oh, yay. Leon's jacket changed. Or, God, pick it up, thank you. I swear, I know how to game. Like, don't judge me. It's my first time playing it on the Switch. They changed around some of the button placements and stuff like that for this version. Compared to... me fool. Thank you. Now, as per tradition for me and Michael, we never start the combo until we have gone and picked up every time bonus in the stage and have collected all the items and split them equally between the two of us. Which I don't really have to worry about doing that because I'm not, obviously it's a single player. Michael doesn't have a Switch, well, yet. And, well, I don't have money for Switch Online. Even then, half the people that play this game are like, if you do anything other than Melee, I'm going to disconnect the game. And, like, they get mad at you. Excuse me. Oops, almost messed up there. And also, yes, I'm playing with a laser sight instead of a crosshair. I don't know if I mentioned that, but boom, laser sight. I don't know. I just prefer it. Like, yeah, my accuracy is a little bit worse when I use it, but I don't know. I grew up playing RE4, so, like, laser sights are just embedded into my brain. Jesus! My accuracy is garbage. Also, where be the zombies? This is No Mercy, right? I'm playing on the right mode, right? Which, by the way, I will never do a video on this game for regular mercenaries. It will whenever I do videos on this channel for this game and I do mercenaries, it will always be No Mercy. It will never be regular mercenaries. Get countered, son. Get countered. Boom. I'm going to huck a grenade, run around. There we go. And then with him, I can... Boop. Nice little boomy boom right there. Yeet. That got nobody. Oh, it got a couple of people. Well, why not just go ahead and get rid of those firefighters, and then, yeah, I'll lose the combo here, but, well, I guess real quick I make sure I can pop. Please give me the prompt where I can, oh no, I lost it anyway, whatever, oh boy, yeah, these guys, the armored plated zombies have started spawning, so that's when you want to head downstairs. Like, immediately. And I'm going to heal, because I am in god-awful condition. Alright, let's, oh no, that was a bit of a waste. I missed, like, half of them. Ow! Jesus! Here's where it starts getting hectic on this stage. I'm just gonna... whoosh! That was a decent little group, and, ooh, the frame rate is tanking. You guys see this? Ah, the frame rate. Lovely. It just went from a whole 60, dropped down to 30, then went to a whole 15. Like, dropped by doubles. There you go. Ah. Oh, wait a minute. Those were the armor-plated zombies with the grenades. Just boom. You can do that. Oh god, get up and heal. Get up and heal. Get up and heal. Pick it up and run. Friggin', I can't pick it up and run. I hear a chainsaw. I hear a chainsaw. I hear a chainsaw. I'm gonna throw this and I'm going to pick up. There he is. Oh god, I'm going to drop this. Come over here. Screw you all. Okay, chainsaw guy down. Alright. Ow. I have another first aid spray. Oh boy, here's where things are gonna start getting a bit screwy again. Playing No Mercy is fun, but it's a lot of keeping up with things. A lot of, like, knowing what's around you. Jesus, a freaking fat zombie you pushed me, or it wasn't even a fat zombie, it was a freaking bloodshot, but just put that down, and how about escape? Boom. Oh, they changed the amount of damage they take again? Did they really? They did! Let them blow all that crap up. Hello, Bloodshot, how are you? You're a pain in the neck. Oh god. Yeah. This seems about right. I wasn't even anywhere near him. I need to heal. Ah, I lost the combo anyway. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to, like, counter attack them, like, as soon as they get close to... Oh my god! If I get attacked by one more freaking Bloodshot, I'm gonna scream. That is a nice just... Oh my god, dude. Yeah, it's pretty much over now. Yeah, might as well go down faithfully. Or, yeah, whatever. But anyways, guys, this right here is just a test video. Like I said, not really trying to win or anything like that. Just trying to see how the game records and see what you guys think. But, yeah. As I said, personally, love this game. But, anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video here. This is Fist of God. If you liked, please leave a like, share, comment, and then subscribe if you're new. And as I said, my name is Fist of God, and I'm out. Peace.